In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Gmail or email address to your Twitter account. We all know how essential it is to have our email linked to our social media accounts, whether for security, updates, or simply ease of access. So let's dive into this process and make sure your Twitter account has your email linked, which you can do in just a few minutes. First, let's start by heading over to your Twitter account. If you're using a browser, simply navigate to twitter.com, which has recently rebranded to x.com. Once you're logged in and on the home page, you'll want to keep an eye out for the More option on the left-hand side of your screen. This button typically looks like three horizontal dots. Give it a click and you'll see a drop-down menu appear before you. Next, from this drop-down menu, you'll need to select Settings and Privacy. It's right there in the list of options and is your gateway to changing all kinds of settings on your account. Once you've clicked on that, you'll find yourself in the Settings menu. From here you should look for the Your Account section, which is typically grouped near the top, and click on it. Within the Your Account area, go ahead and click on Account Information. This is the section where you'll find various details about your account, including your email address. Under the Account Information, look for the Email option. It's important to note that this is where you'll be able to change or update your current email information. Click on it, and then proceed to select Update Email Address. At this point, Twitter will ask for your password. As a security measure to ensure it's truly you trying to make these changes, enter your password carefully, and when you're ready, click Next. This brings us to the part where you'll enter your new Gmail or email address. Input your email and then click Next to move forward. After entering your new email address, you will be prompted to verify it. Twitter will send a verification code to the new email you just entered. Go over to your email inbox, find the email from Twitter, and note down the verification code it sent you. Return to Twitter and type this code into the required field. Finally, the last step involves clicking on Verify to confirm your new email address. And that's it, you've successfully linked your Gmail or email address to your Twitter account. This is an important step to ensure your account's security and to stay connected with all notifications. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and happy tweeting.